Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Japanese Kanji Study that you can get from Play Store. Before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. And as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here, search in Japanese Kanji Study. So here it is, the first one. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. Learn essential kanji and track your progress. Powerful dictionary for kanji and word lookup. Writing challenges that teach you stroke order. Detailed kanji info with word sentences and more. So customizable quizzes and character analysis. Flashcard study. Select any ordering or create your own groups, and so much more. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Japanese Kanji Study with flashcards. I just want to let you know that Kanji Study is my ongoing project that tries to be a helpful and easy to use tool for learning Japanese kanji. Study with flashcards, customizable quizzes, writing challenges. Each kanji has detailed information and many examples. The app provides a powerful search tool for looking up kanji by radicals, stroke count, and more. You can also make custom sets to match your textbooks or focus on the kanji you struggle with the most. So the main features available: quick kanji lookup, search over 6,000 kanji readings, radicals, stroke counts, and so on, detailed kanji info, flashcard study, multi-choice quizzes, writing challenges, and so much more. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. So right now it's preparing the data. So it's done. Thanks for downloading kanji. This app will help you read and write Japanese characters. We'll get started by customizing how you want to learn. You can change these settings later at any time. So complete beginner, let's just since I already know some basic kanji, then I will go with the novice learner. So kanji and characters borrowed from Chinese, alright. Select a kanji sequence. So you can choose two options: GLPT levels in Japanese school. So let's just go with the Japanese grade school. And also this is how to use the kanji, and these are the things that we have to learn. So good luck to us. So this is the home page, and as you may have noticed that there are some parts in here are locked. So let's just try with the elementary. And okay, by default, characters in this set are split into smaller sets. You can merge and split sets as you go to create groupings that work for you. Alright, skip tour. And the elementary one is actually very easy. So skip tour, and I already know this. Actually, it's 1, 2, 3. This is how you write it in kanji. So just tap this one, and then you will have this option. So you will be guided on how to write it properly, how to write the strokes. So it has 5 strokes, and then just tap it and you will have the information on how to write it, just like that. So it also has explanation in here. Just scroll down and read some information on how to use it. So you can use it as a prefix or suffix. That's how kanji works, and there's so much to learn. So sentences, it has also 16 examples in here. Twice 2 is equal to 4. So ni no ni bai wa 4 desu. So it's April 1st. Shigatsu tsuitachi desu. So there. I already know this set 1. I already studied this kanji set 1. So there, that's 6, or mutsu. That's how you write it. It has 4 stroke and ancient form. As you can see, it is not clear what originally represented, what that character represented, though it was used very early on to represent the number 6. And their own readings, vocabulary, and the kun vocabulary. Then in reading examples, you will see how to use it on the sentences. So there, recommendation words, and then scroll down, you will have these sentences. So 9 examples on how to use it. How many is 9 minus 6? So it's only 6 people came to the party. So the party ni wa 6人しか 聞いていませんでした. So nouns and so on. So if you already know this elementary set, then you can proceed with the. So as you may have noticed, unlock all kanji and custom set creation. This is actually an upgraded version, so you have to buy the upgraded or the pro version to unlock all the features. So some of the kanji in here are being locked for the meantime. So the free version has only a few lessons to learn. If you want to jump to elementary 5, then you have to upgrade it. So this is the amount, as you can see. So Kanji Study is completely free for beginners and offers kana, radicals, and first level kanji. So the first level kanji is available for free, and the rest is going to be a one-time purchase or one-time upgrade to unlock all the kanji. So the free version has only elementary 1 and then kana and radicals. The rest is not going to be accessible. But you can practice with the elementary level first, and then if you're good at it, then I highly suggest that you buy this application. So favorites is where you can add your favorites, and also search. This is where you can search the words that you want to study. Radicals there, and how to write it properly, and kana there. So the hiragana and katakana, the basic Japanese. And then let's try going to settings. So study options. So these are the things that you can customize. Show romaji, simplify kanji readings, simplify kanji meanings, and so on. So I'm going to leave everything as default. And let's check the display settings. So there you can also customize this according to your needs. Audio is where you can download the audio, download all audio files. So there. And backup and restore. So you have the option to export a backup file and then import it back, or custom export. So you can even save it to your Google Drive. And then support and about, notifications, and so on. So day mode is where you can change the theme. So as you can see, it has bright color. I prefer the dark mode there. Outliner there. So you have to purchase it. Okay, we can only access some of the files in here, and the rest needs to be unlocked by purchasing it. So this one here is where you can merge all sets. There, cancel, toggle preview, and show tutorial. There, skip the tour. So there. So set 1 has 10 kanji, the same with set 2, and so much, and so on. So that's how you use this application, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.